Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A34, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to hold your power button, and from the boot options that will show in a moment, select power off. Now there is also Google showing up, so ignore that and keep on holding till you have the boot options. Now when the device turns off, which should be just in a moment, you want to hold the power button and volume up at the same time. I also want to warn you, after the screen turns black like it did, give it like solid 5 seconds before you start holding these buttons, as it still takes it a moment afterwards to turn off. And when you see the ZTE logo, let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. And you can see this takes us to the recovery mode. You can see barely right here with a little bit of a menu. This mode for some reason is super dim on this device, so bear with me. But anyway, we will navigate through this menu using volume buttons. So I'm gonna start pressing volume down to select enter Fastboot mode, and once it's selected you can confirm it using your power button. And here is our Fastboot mode. Now this is one of the 2 Fastboot modes that you can utilize. So in here, quickly going over the options, which we navigate the same way as we did on a previous menu. We have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. We have Enter Recovery Mode, which will bring us back to the previous menu. We have Reboot to Bootloader, which will take us to that second Fastboot mode. And we have Power Off. So I'm going to show you the second one, the bootloader, which is also Fastboot mode. But before I do so, if you want to leave this mode, just select Reboot System Now, confirm it with the power button, and you're good to go. If you're utilizing this one, Reboot to Bootloader, and like I said, this is going to be a Fastboot mode, you leave this mode a little bit differently. And you can see right here at the top, Fastboot mode. Just kind of bring this up. Come on. Okay, you can see it right now. It's a little bit cut out just because of the curvature of the display. But it does say there Fastboot mode. So to leave this one, all you would need to do is just hold power button till the screen turns off, and once it does so, the device will automatically start booting up on its own. And you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.